Focus to Sharda Cropchem, their subsidiary Sharda USA LLC has received an order from the US court which temporarily prohibits import and sale of insecticides. To discuss this and more, we have Mr. RV Bubna, the Chairman and Managing Director at Sharda Cropchem, who joins us now. Good afternoon, Mr. Bubna. Thank you so much for joining us. First, take us through this particular development. What was the percentage of sales that you were getting from this particular product, and has this particular temporary restraining order been extended to any other products that you are exporting to the US market?
Sir, what is your good name?
I am Vivek.
Vivek. Sir, we have issued a very good clarification to NSE and BSE on this matter. I don't know, I think you have not had a chance to read it.
We've had a chance to look at it. We want to understand whether there is any cascading effect or whether there is any temporary restraining order on any of the other products. We understand that this particular product on which there is a restraining order forms a very small portion of your overall US sales.
Sir, I have already informed them that this product forms 0.2% of the volume of US for Sharda. 0.2%.
Okay.
So it has a very negligible effect.
Okay. Any other products in the pipeline? Is there any other products that are currently undergoing litigation with FMC?
No. No. In fact, FMC is buying sometimes from us. FMC is also a good customer.
Okay, sir. So do you continue to stick to the earlier guidance that you had given, when you joined us after your Q1 results, when you told us that you're expecting significant top-line growth as far as FY24 is concerned? And you also mentioned that there is some pricing increases that you're seeing as far as the core product portfolio is concerned.
About this matter, I want to clarify again. This matter has been going into the court, I think, for last 2-3 months. Initially, court has rejected FMC's LIA and gave the decision in our favor. Once again, when FMC is appealed to them, they have given it as a temporary stoppage, and they have also asked FMC to deposit a bond of $500,000 to compensate Sharda for loss of this business during the period of this temporary stay. So that itself shows that this has no significance and no impact on Sharda's business.
Okay. So now that we've discussed this matter, and now let's just set it aside and talk about, business as usual for you. How has the second quarter been for you? What are we seeing in terms of growth rates?
Madam, second quarter we are still going on, and yes. I still maintain that our business will grow by 15 to 18%, and EBITDA will be also in the range of 15 to 18%. Business is doing well.
So last time when you came, you told us top line growth of 15 to 18%, gross margin in the range of 30 to 35%. You're maintaining that. You also mentioned one thing about, you may get a certain amount of funds from FMC in case this particular matter is disposed. What was the quantum you mentioned?
No, we will not. If it takes more time, and if Sharda is going to lose business of this product in US, then FMC will be required to compensate us for the loss incurred for not doing this business. And for this purpose, FMC has been asked by the court to submit a bond to the court of USD $500,000 to take care that Sharda, there's not much of a time in settlement of our claim if we make a loss during the period of this temporary stay. Am I clear?
Yes, sir. So what is 0.2% of your US sales in absolute numbers?
0.2% of this product last year had been 0.2% of our total sale in US.
Correct.
So this product is so insignificant for us, it's not going to have any impact on our US business or our global business.
No, I understand that, 0.2% of your US sales, but what is it in absolute terms? How much did this product contribute last year in absolute numbers, sir?
About $160,000.
$160,000. Okay. And how has pricing been for you in the current quarter? Because
Pardon
last
me?
quarter, I remember, so how is pricing getting back to business? In Q1, we saw some price increases, and you were hopeful that price increases will, continue. Has
Yeah,
that happened in Q2? How much?
Price increasing going up. So prices are becoming more favorable, and the market and the prices are getting towards normalcy.
Could you give us a sense, or could you quantify when you say pricing is improving? What is the kind of pricing that you're seeing? And also, last couple of quarters you are facing significant inventory pressure. Has that reduced across, the customers?
It has reduced considerably.
And the quantum of pricing increase? Yeah.
It is difficult to see. We don't have any calculation for that. This is just the impression that we get from the market and how the things are moving. The prices had collapsed by almost 75% in some products. Now the improvement is not going to be so quick also. The process will take time, but it is on the way up.
Okay. Thank you so much, Mr. Bubna, first of all, for coming and clarifying on the impact of the temporary restraining order. We understand at this point of time it doesn't form a significant part of your business, and also talking to us about how pricing as well as Q2 has panned out. Let's now slip into a short break. On the other side, we will focus on the big news of the day, that is Gujarat Gas, which will undergo a major restructuring scheme. Harshvardhan Dole from IIFL will join us to talk to us more on this particular development.